How are you all doing on this beautiful Saturday evening? We are here to present sushi, mini sushi class for all of you, where you can learn how to roll and plate sushi. We have our chef Jay with us here today. So, hi Jay, can you introduce yourself to everyone?
Hi, my name is Jay. I'm a hotelier, so I just come to help Mega to show you how to simply roll the sushi. So let's begin. So I will explain you because my rice is already cooked. So I'll explain you how to make the rice first of all. And if you have any question again in between, you can chat or you will reply after. So recipes and whatever required, we will provide it to you. And rice, normally we get 1.5 cup rice and 2.5 water, 2.5 cup water, and the seasoning I will explain you after. So mainly you have to wash your rice until water is crystal clear, and then only you have to cook. So if you use the pressure cooker, it only is 2 whistle. If not rice cooker, it doesn't matter until the rice is cooked.
Okay. Can you tell us like what do you have in ingredient first? All this.
Ingredients we will explain while we rolling.
So we're going to show at least 3 to 4 different types.
Yeah, we will gonna show you 2 maki rolls and 2 California rolls. So again, I have to tell you that the Japanese food or sushi is up to you. What are the filling you want to put? So I will give you some example, and it's up to you again. Up to you what you want to like to eat, what you want to have in your sushi. So we have some.
We have vegetarian.
It's all vegetarian. So all vegetarian sushi. So different kind of vegetarian vegetable we have, and we have rolled some earlier. So you can. I will show you afterwards, and we will show you how to plate and presentations. So let's begin how to roll.
Yes, let's get started.
This is a nori sheet, roasted seaweed.
So this is easily available on Amazon. That's where we have also procured it from. So with this rice, roughly how many sushis can we make?
So 1.5 cup we use, so we can make around 10 to 12 rolls. So California or maki rolls 12. So we're gonna show you 4 rolls. So we require only 2 leaves. So we cut into half. Simply, so we got 4 pieces. Keep on the side. So we're starting with maki rolls, which is rice inside. Make sure your hand is wet, so it will help you. Your rice is not sticky in your hand. Your hand is not wet, your rice going to be sticky on your hand. Can you see this because of this or
No.
okay? Okay.
Is visible?
So basically, when you make maki roll, you start in the middle. You put the rice in the middle exactly. Start to spreading all over the seaweed. You leave around ½ inch from your front. I will explain you why.
The rice should completely cover the sheet, right?
After you layer it, your seaweed not seen in between the rice. So this inch you always have to leave, don't fill up with rice. So rice is done, so it's depend after what you want to put. So first of all, I will apply little wasabi on the rice.
On Won't that make it spicy?
To give the wasabi flavor is spicy, we can add some spicy mayonnaise. I'll show you after how to make it. So if you want to
No, no, I'm asking the wasabi won't make it spicy.
no, wasabi just to give a flavor. So we will put some cucumber, and some radish. We already pickled this radish, the same vinegar but we use for the sushi rice. And again optional, the mayonnaise, spicy mayonnaise. So this is the togarashi. So when you add the togarashi into the mayonnaise, so it's become spicy mayo. If you don't want spicy, so you can use the normal mayonnaise. If you want to roll more, so this mayonnaise you should keep in the squeezy bottles, so it's more easier. And we will put one more carrot as well.
Everything to be thinly sliced, right?
Everything will be thinly sliced because it's all raw vegetables. So the main thing, when you roll it, you hold your stuffing from your finger and roll it this way till your rice, not into the seaweed, just only cover the rice. So do it one step and again the second and third.
So rolling it thrice.
Once it's okay, you can roll it again, other way around.
If there are any questions, any questions?
So your maki, the first roll is done. So it's like that. So we'll make another maki. Mega, you want to try one?
Yeah, definitely.
So do as I say. You can wet your hand first.
Water.
And you don't want to wear any hand gloves because the rice is sticky. So always bless your hand with water.
Can we also use oil instead?
No oil. Oil gives the different flavor and it doesn't work.
Okay. So always in the center
Always in the center and you
then
spread.
spread. Okay.
Make sure you keep this line empty. A little more water.
And what happens if we press the rice too much?
So
then?
if you press the rice too much, is the roll going to be very hard. Your rice is going to be very hard. It need to
Okay.
be soft.
Okay, okay.
And when you roll it also, you don't tight much. And you make sure you cover this all the line.
Okay, even in the sides?
Yeah.
I don't leave any space. How thick should the layer be?
The thinnest as much as you can.
Okay, shouldn't be very thick, is it?
Shouldn't be very thick. If not, the stuffing going to be less.
Okay, okay.
You don't have space to roll it if your rice is too much.
Is good enough?
It's good enough.
So what
As
filling?
So filling is up to you again if you want to add some
Let's try
avocados.
those. Yeah, avocado, strawberry.
When you take the avocado, always you can make the
Slices.
slices like that. No need to peel whole avocado. So simply slice. So 3 is going to be more than enough. Peel it off.
And place it above the center, below the center. right?
Below the center. Always we have to put below the center.
Okay.
You can make it straight, the avocado, if you want. And then get some strawberries. Strawberries, you can cut small wedges and layer it.
This is going to be very
So
healthy.
a lot of new people are joining. So can you tell them what you're doing right now?
Yeah. So guys, we are having a live sushi class, and it's mainly a veg sushi class. So right now we're doing a maki sushi, which is the rice inside, and then we'll be doing a California roll, which is the rice outside. So we've already placed the rice. We'll probably show you again how to place the rice in the California roll. And here we've put in avocado, strawberry, and we have roasted red bell pepper. So that's what we've layered in this. Any seasoning to be added?
No,
to
because
this?
rice is seasoned, and when you're going to eat, you always have ginger pickle, soya sauce, and wasabi. So it's already done.
Okay, so
You
I'll
can add only is mayonnaise if you like. If you don't like, so you can
okay,
avoid it.
Okay. Can we add some cheese to this?
You can add some cheese also, but don't do it because I think it's enough stuffing.
Okay, okay. So if you want, probably you can skip the bell pepper and add some cheese, or
Cheese.
skip the strawberries and add some cheese. So yes.
Taking your leaves till the corner. So now start. Don't worry whatever come out. You just keep rolling.
Okay. So the tip is from here
Keep
till
from
here,
here
right?
till here.
Okay. So from the corner till the filling.
You make sure you are filling, not moving.
Just squeeze a little.
Make it straight.
Until here,
Yeah, and tie it.
and then roll again.
Tied it. Tied. And then one more roll.
Do we have to press hard, or does it?
We have to give a little press to enough set.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
one more.
There's a lot of
And the
stuffing
shape.
coming out.
Yeah, it will be okay. So when we cut it, we can use as a decoration.
Okay.
So this is the roll, what she made. So the second one also is done.
Let's do.
So let's do the California roll after. I'll show you a quick one. So California is the same. You get the rice all over the sheet.
But this is rice outside.
Yeah.
This is mostly what is available at a hotel or a restaurant. This is generally what we eat at a restaurant, the California rolls.
Same process. Start from the middle to fill all the leaves. And we're going to cover with some tempura vegetables.
So here we don't have to leave the gap.
No, we don't want to leave the gap, so all over there because this rice is going to be outside.
Okay.
So again, California, you can the cover you can do with anything you like. So or the sesame seeds or spring onions or
Seasoning.
chili or seasoning or crust. So I'm going to use some tempura, the pre-fried tempura vegetables, carrot and zucchinis. So,
So
this
can
is
you explain how you've made the batter?
okay. For the batter, I add some the plain flour, whole-purpose flour,
Maida.
and rice flour, and the corn flour. So we will give you the recipes after, if anyone interested. And just fry it. And this is the crisp from the, when you fry this, it will come automatically, so you can collect this all.
Or we can just put in pieces of the
Put,
batter.
you
to
can
make
put
the
in
crispy.
crispy. It's like how we call it, it's like a bundi.
Yeah.
When you make the bundi with the batter. So I use this, and I'm gonna use some togarashi,
Any alternative or substitute for togarashi?
chili flakes. Do it with the chili flakes if you like. So we will have some. If you want to see, we already done with the chili flakes. So then we have to make it upside down. Our stuffing going to be on the top. So again, I'm going to use California roll. Basically, we should have avocado and cucumber. Basically,
That's the base.
that's the base. So then up to you, anything you like. So avocados. Pre-cut some cucumbers.
And some tempura.
I will just put some
So these are fried zucchini and carrot.
carrots.
So what are the other vegetables we can work around with this?
So we can put any vegetable. We can put some
Radish.
radish or some the fresh zucchinis if you like. If you like some fresh carrot.
Sweet potato also I think works,
Sweet
right?
potato also is work when you fry it. Or normally people used to use some asparagus.
Okay.
So if you easily available, I'll add some little bit
Sriracha
spicy,
mayo. No,
spicy
tosharagi
mayo,
mayo, right?
togarashi mayo. So then we start rolling same way. Hold your stuff and roll till the end.
And then another roll, right?
Another roll.
And last one.
Last one. So output looks like that.
Oh, nice.
So you have crispy surface already tied, and one California. So we keep it in the side.
So we
Can you show both of them? that
Yeah,
you have made?
sure. So this is the maki roll, this is the California roll, this is rice inside, seaweed sheet outside, this is rice outside, seaweed sheet inside, and this is tempura. So tempura is generally crispy sushi.
So I'm going to show you one more.
We,
Last
we do
maki?
one more California sushi roll. So what is the filling that we're
Yeah.
trying with this?
This one going to be the smoky paprika,
Okay.
the capsicum,
Hmm.
and we're going to coat it. We coat it with the capsicum. So stuffing we're going to put again some fresh vegetable and spring onions.
Okay. So basically to roast your bell pepper, you just put it on the gas over the
Directly.
flame.
Same way when you guys make the barta,
हाँ, बैंगन का भरता,
bengan ka
same
barta. So
style.
same way. So you can burn, then it's
Burn till the skin is black.
black.
And then peel off the skin and then you get roasted
Get-
bell pepper. So we can work that with yellow also.
Any color.
Green, yellow,
Green,
red.
yellow. Even if you don't have capsicum, you can, if you like little spicy, you can try with this as well. So this is the capsicum which is roasted.
I think here, yeah.
So this is the capsicum. So I'm gonna slice a bit.
So this is going to be outside.
Outside.
Okay. So we can also use some avocados or something like this to
So on the
for
cover.
outside, yeah.
Cover. This is all about your creation. So you can do with avocado, you can do with strawberries, you can do with anything.
So you can also see some
Yeah.
black parts because
the-
we've roasted the bell pepper. Nice. So it'll stick, right?
It will.
Because of the rice.
Yeah.
And just then
So
flip
then
it.
flip it over. And then again we put some any vegetable you like.
Fresh cucumber.
We put cucumber
Okay, spring
and the
onion.
spring onions.
So can we also use spinach or what are the substitutes for
we-
spring onion?
We can use even coriander if you like. Can use
Okay.
some coriander. So for the cover also we can use some coriander
And
stems, chops.
okay.
We can use all. And I use some same capsicum, little julienne one. Again little spring onion, the chop. And give a little more pickle taste. I use some pickled ginger. So things is ready now. So we just roll it. So it is
Looks like a designer
like that.
sushi.
so
Oh,
it is
very
come like that.
nice.
Sometimes it's fall, but it doesn't matter. You can stick into it. Give a little fry. So this is the roll. If you want to have a little
Garnish.
garnishes, so you can use some spring onion or coriander and give little smaller press again.
You're having very nice colors here, white, red and
So,
green.
This is something
Very
for your
beautiful.
Christmas buffet is going to be fantastic.
Can you show?
So yeah, these are the rolls. So this is maki roll, these are California roll, tempura, and this is roasted bell pepper. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to cut all of these and how to plate it using different ingredients
Garnishes.
and garnishes. So yes, so we also have prepared few
A pre-roll.
few rolls here.
Take it.
So this is tempura. So we have fried the entire sushi roll as it is, and then we have used chili flakes here. We have used spring onions. So this is one is strawberry cheese and avocado. One is normal California cucumber and carrot roll, and this is a maki roll. So we'll just show you how to plate the sushi.
You're also going to cut it.
Yes.
Right? Don't want to cut?
No, cut.
So
We have our
this is
platter.
our platter. So this this is some julienne
Radish.
radish. And some carrot.
You can just play around with the color.
Play around with the colors.
These are some radish leaves.
Radish leaves, which is
Which
when you buy.
yeah, complementary with the radish.
Is also some same shaved radish.
So all of this is being dipped in ice water,
Give it
right?
ice water to make it crispy and maintain the freshness. So we'll take some fried tempura oven. So make sure your knife is a little wet when you cut the sushi. So it will help you.
Yeah, the rice would stick otherwise, right? So you can also play around with the shapes. You need not have to always cut it round.
Yeah, you can play around. This is all about your creativity. See? There we go. And we cut. So just now we rolled tempuras. Fold now.
Yeah, it's fine.
We'll do with one maki roll as well.
Always dip it in water.
Water, especially this maki roll.
Maybe the red pepper and then this. We have another one, right? Spring
The
onion.
spring onion one.
Hmm?
There we go.
So we have some carrot butterflies and some radish.
And this is
Spring onion.
a little spring onion. This is some simple garnish. Just you can do it at home as well.
It's looking very tempting and irresistible.
And you can
sprinkle some mayo.
if you have some seaweed, you don't like much seaweed, that's okay, but if you have some seaweed, what you have to do, cut small pieces and cut finely julienne. What is it?
What is the name of this?
You can use as a garnishes.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Even these leaves you can deep fry if you want.
Okay, and then use it as a filling inside?
For the filling inside already there. Anyway, we wrap with this.
Yeah.
Just for the garnishes and all.
Okay, okay. But it's already crispy, right?
It's already crispy. So this is simple sushi which is you can make at home. So hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, it was quite interesting. Learned a lot of different fillings that we have in vegetarian sushi, which is quite amazing because generally veg option sushis are very less. And we serve this with pickled ginger, wasabi, and soya sauce. So guys, here is our sushi platter with maki sushi, tempura sushi, and California roll sushi.